This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Instagram password. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Maintaining security for online sites and services, particularly social media accounts, takes diligence. If you still log into Instagram with a weak password, a password that is duplicated on the other sites, or one that might have been compromised in a hack or data breach, it might be time for you to change it. Thankfully, whether you want to change your Instagram password on your mobile device or computer, you can do it in just few steps. And I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Here's my account that I want to change the password. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on Account Center. Now, on account security, on account settings, you can tap on password and security here. You can see there is an option, change password. You can tap on that. You can choose your account that you want to change the password. I will choose this account. You'll be logged out of all sessions except this one to protect your account if anyone is trying to gain access. Your password must have been at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. First, you have to enter your current password before you change for the new one. Maybe you can't see. Now you can enter your new password here. And you can retype your new password. Now, you can, after that, if you have entered the new password, you can tap on Change Password. You can wait. And now you change your Instagram password for this account. So simple, right? So whenever you want to log in into your account, the password that you enter is the new password that you just changed. So that is how to change Instagram password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.